y'all, so jumping straight in, this is what you see when you first walk in. I have my little gallery wall. I got this first picture from Target. Before I start, also everything will be in the description, but I got this first picture from Target. I got these 3 from Marshall's, and I got this one from Home Goods, I want to say. And then I actually just got these new blinds. They were white at first, but this place came with blinds already, but they were messed up, they're ugly, so I got me some new ones. And I got these from Walmart. They look so good, like good quality. So yeah, and I like the tan color. And then right here is my dryers from Kiss. I want to say I got it from Walmart actually, because I had one already, but it broke, so I had to get a new one. And then I have this chair I got from Marshall's. I got it on sale. And then I got this little table. It was on sale because all of this, it was like not even a good table to begin with anyways, but I just needed to put my dryer on, so I got this from Marshall's as well. And then right here I just keep like my cords under it, kind of like a little storage thing. And then right here is my trash can. I got this from Walmart. It just says waste basket, and I thought it was like cute and minimalistic. And then I got this little mat from Dollar Tree child. And then moving on, I got this little like boho curtain from Amazon. I think they were like 25 each, and I got like 3 of them just to cover up these doors, because these doors don't open to anything and people would just always get mistaken that it did. And also it just kind of looked a little weird in my shop, so I wanted something to cover it up, so I got that. And then moving on, I got this ring light from Amazon, y'all. This is like, I want to say like the 4th or 5th ring light that I bought. Like, I feel like anybody who does content creation, hair, anything, anybody who uses a ring light, y'all know like it's a trial and error. Like, you have to find you a good one, and honestly them expensive ones be worth it. This is a toner. I mean, not toner, because I had a toner, y'all, and it freaking broke. Let me focus. So this is a newer ring light, and y'all, this ring light is so much, it's good quality. So when you turn it on, you twist it right here, and as you can see, it's so bright. It's so bright, and you can dim it. You can go all the way up. So I love this, and you can just tell it's good quality because of the cord and everything. So yeah, that's my ring light. And then right here you have my chair. Y'all, I got this chair by the dumpster, y'all. Somebody was throwing these away, and I was like, these look good, this will really go with my shop, so I snatched me one up, honey. And I love it. It can go up or down. It's a bar stool, so the little thingy is right here, but it could go up or down, and it's perfect, like literally. And then you have my sitting chair for the clients. I actually got this chair from OfferUp for $50. It was a good deal, and it's a really good chair, good quality. I cleaned it all up, so yeah, love that chair. And then I also got this chair from OfferUp as well. It's a washer chair, and it goes backwards, it leans back, and it's good. It came with these little paint stains, but you know, it is what it is. You just gotta sit in it to get your hair washed, honey. But yes, so this is my little washer chair. And then right here you have my washer. I do get lots of questions about this. So where my shop is, it doesn't actually have plumbing on the inside, so I had to buy this washer separately. This is perfect for people who are in spaces like me that's not necessarily like a shop or like has plumbing built into the actual room. So I got this from, eBay. I got this from eBay, y'all, and it was very expensive, but it's obviously an investment that I needed to make. So this is where the water comes out of. This is where the fresh water comes out of, and this is the waste jug. So every time after clients, I pour this out at the end of the day, put it back in, and refill this up with water. I want to say I refill like 2 of these jugs at least twice a week, depending on how many clients I have this week. But yeah. And then under here I just keep all my little cleaning supplies and all of that good stuff. And then right here, this is actually where you can make the water hotter or colder. This is where you turn it on and off. After every time I use it, I turn it off to preserve it, because that's what it told me to do. But yeah, so this is perfect. Have not had any issues, been having this since January, and like I said, no issues. And then right up here is just all my products that I use to wash hair. I swear by all of these products. Love Talia Waheed, good for scalp and getting all the buildup out. And then I use this to put back in moisture into the hair, and it just smells really good. And then there's lemongrass. I got this from Walmart. Lemongrass is really good for itchy scalp, all scalp problems. Lemongrass is good. And then this is from a brand that I actually use to retwist hair, and I really like this brand. They sent me products earlier in the year, and I just been using it ever since. And then Sulfur 8, I just started using this, but I actually like this product, and I think my clients, they like it too, because I do have lots of clients with scalp issues, and I really just try to make sure I get products that'll be helpful for the scalp. And then I have this little oil concoction that I use, and then some more Talia Waheed spray conditioner. Right here is like my little hair caddy, so it just has everything in it. These are all my towels I got from Amazon. And then right here, it looks a little messy, but these are just like more products that I use if I run out from up here. So this is just like extra. It's my mirror, my spray bottle, and I use this for when I do lock extensions or any type of crocheting. And then this is just all my supplies, my clips, scissors, combs, you know, all that good stuff. And I'll keep that right here, and it's so easy. I like to move it around. And I actually got this little caddy from Ross, actually. I found it at Ross on sale, y'all. And then right here, I got another emergency jug. I just keep that on the side, and I use that like every blue moon. I use it only when I really need it. And then right here, the thing that everyone loves is my sign, y'all. So I got this sign from Etsy, and this was a very good investment too. This whole design of my whole shop was a vision, and I really brought it to life, and this sign really brought the whole entire shop together. This sign was the last thing to come out of everything that I ordered, and once I put it on that wall, y'all, it just made everything perfect. So then right here, I have this mirror I got from, can it focus? I got this mirror from Walmart. That's me, but this is such a really nice mirror I got from Walmart. And then right here, I got me a little mini refrigerator, y'all. This was very much needed. I got this from Walmart. And right here, I just have my little pictures. We can do a little picture tour. So right here, I went to Galveston. It was a fun little time. I was cute. And then I got this magnet from Austin. And then I got this little magnet from 5 and Below. I thought it was so cute. And then this was also the same day I went to Galveston. And then right here was just recently, me and my best bitch, we went to a little Halloween party. So my plan is to just have this filled up with cute little Polaroids and magnets. And then I bought this mannequin from Amazon. The hair was loose hair at first, and I instant locked it and added in extensions. And I bought it to practice, but I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I don't even use it to practice, but I did do this little style, and it's just been in it ever since. So that's my little mannequin. And then right here, I got this picture from Home Goods, I want to say. And then moving to the entertainment little center, I call it. I got this TV from Walmart. You could tell TCL, bitch. What is TCL, ho? But I got this from Walmart. And then I have my little diffuser. I don't know why it's not even blowing out smoke. It's water in it. Well, maybe it's a little too much in there. I got this diffuser from Walmart. I thought this was so cute because as you can see right here, I have so many candles, and I love my candles, but I thought the diffuser would be perfect because I found myself buying like candles like so soon because I would burn it all day when I had my clients, and it would just go out so fast. So I was like, it'll be easy if I just get a diffuser, add in water, and give me a little essential oil. So I use this peppermint oil. It smells so good, and I think it actually helps keep out bugs, so I keep that in here. And then I have lavender. I haven't used lavender yet, but we'll use that soon. And then right here is my Wi-Fi hotspot box that I got from T-Mobile. This is needed because where I'm located, the service is very bad. And then moving on to right here is just my sanitizer and this little skull that I got from Dollar Tree that I actually meant to paint, but I think the white is okay. I got this wooded hand from Shein. Thought it was cute. It was actually in my room, but when I got this shop, y'all, I wanted my shop to look better than anything, so I just brought everything that was in my room to here. And then right here I have my business cards, and then I have that sitting on top of this little notebook. These little cubbies are from Walmart. This whole, what is this called, cube thing shelf is from Walmart as well. It is dirty, so don't mind it, because my hand, this is so dirty. Ew, I do need another one, but my hands be dirty when I be pulling it out, so yeah, don't mind that. In here I just keep all of my extra hair supplies. Right here I got this little thing from Dollar Tree, and I just put the Wi-Fi on here and the password. This is actually from the thrift, and I painted it. And then y'all already seen this, my little candle, smell good stuff, and this is a crystal. And then right here is like some more supplies. I keep my black wraps in here when I do the edges, apple cider vinegar, baking soda, soap, foam, all that good stuff. Right here, some more little decorations. This was actually a gift, and I got this from Marshall's. And then right here I keep in my clean and dirty towels. And then right here is some spray that I got from, some room spray that I got from Marshall's. And no, I'm not a Libra, but it smells so good. But I do love Libras though. And then this is from the thrift as well, and I just painted it black. And then right here, this is just like a utility closet. I just keep all this type stuff in here, you know. And then moving right here, I actually got this plant from Amazon, y'all. I love this plant. I love how tall it is, and I love the type of leaves that it is. I got this from Amazon. And then I got this little, I don't really know what to call it, but the tag is literally still on it. I got it from Marshall's for $13 on sale. Yeah, so I got this from Marshall's. I thought this was cute because instead of like whatever it came into, I wanted to make it look a little bit more chic to match my shop. And then right here, this is my certificate of completion when I got certified. I will be talking about that soon, about like all the rundown about it. What did I learn? Was it worth it? All that good stuff, so make sure you stay tuned. And then moving along here, I got this beautiful, I don't really want to call it a painting, but because the texture is like felt, but I got this from Marshall's. Really loved it. I needed something to fill up this whole wall, so I got this. And then right here, I got this little table from Ross. And then I got this little, I don't know what to call it, but I got this from Ross as well. And then I got these leaves from Walmart, and I just made it into like a little plant. And then these little rocks in here are from Dollar Tree. And then moving along here is just my broom and my little Swifter. And that is the end of my shop tour, y'all. So I'm gonna just show y'all one more time. But yes, y'all, I love my shop so much. It makes me feel so at home, and I get so many compliments on it. They just love everything about it. People say they feel good when they walk in here. Their energy feels good. I love it. And one more thing, I got this from Ross. This is my second rug because my first rug was white at first, and then it turned black because everybody was walking on it, which, duh, you know, people walk on rugs. But I feel like I'm gonna have to buy another rug soon because this one kind of getting dirty as well. But I thought this really brought the whole shop together. I love the pattern. So as you can tell, y'all, I really love interior design. I love fashion. I love art. I love everything. But yes, y'all, so this is my shop. And like I said, everything will be in the description below. And one more thing before we go, I'm just gonna let y'all know where I got this paint from. This paint is Evergreen from Home Depot. And then I can't recall this paint, but I'm pretty sure y'all can find it. You know, y'all can find both of these paints, but I just wanted to let y'all know exactly the name of the paint. that I used. But yes, y'all, this is her, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.